How to post a job on Indeed. Hello everyone, I'm Jason. The first thing you want to do once on Indeed.com, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner. And by the way, you can sign up completely free. All you'll need is your email address. You're going to go over to the top right hand corner, and right where you see employers/post job, you're going to tap on that. After you have selected it, you'll be redirected to this dashboard, and from here you will see the option to continue signing up, and you can sign up, as I said, with your email address. Once you have signed up, you will be led to this page, and from here you are going to scroll down and you are going to add your company name. So let's say, for example, I'm looking a worker for Simple Answers, so I'll type in Simple Answers. After you have done that, your company number of employees, so between 1 and 49, your first and last name, so let me do that real quick. After you have done that, you'll enter your phone number, and after you have entered your phone number, you'll tap right here. So let me enter my phone number real quick. Then select save and continue. After you have entered that information, you'll be redirected to a new page, and you will see job posts will be in English in United States. And if you don't want the job to be posted in the United States or in English, you can tap on the pencil icon right here to edit the job post language. You can scroll down, and from here you'll see your company's industry. You're going to tap right there, and you can select the sector that your company is in. For example, let me select a sector real quick. So I'll scroll down, and from here I'm going to select telecommunications. After you have done that, you'll type in the job title. So let's say, for example, I want a thumbnail designer. So I'll simply type in thumbnail. Or let me type something else. Let's say an editor. So I'll type in video editor, as you can see right there. After you have done that, you are going to scroll down which option best describes this job's location, and whether you want it in person or a general location within a limited area, or you want it remote. You can select any one of these options. For now, I'll select remote. Are employees required to reside in a specific location? No. Then I'll select save and continue. After you have selected save and continue, you'll be redirected to a new page. What is the job type, whether it is full-time, part-time, or contract? It all depends on what type of employee you're looking. So at the moment I would select part-time. Then what is the schedule for this job? And from here, whether it is a 4-hour shift, Monday to Friday, or 10 hours, or you could tap on search right here. And from here you can scroll down and you can select one of the different options. So you could tap on choose your own hours, meaning that the person that you employ will be able to choose their own hours whenever they want to complete the task. At the moment I would simply select 4-hour shift, just for example's sake. Then I'm going to scroll down. How many people do you want to hire for this opening? I'll tap on 1. How quickly do you need to hire? So whether you need to hire within 1 to 3 days, more than 4 weeks, you can select an option. I'll select 3 to 7 days. Then you are going to tap on save and continue. After selecting save and continue, you'll be led to this page. How would you like to complete your job post? As you can see here, complete your job post on your own. Complete my job post with a smart recommendation, a tailored job template that you can edit. So we are going to select this one right here. So we are going to select the smart recommendation. Then we are going to tap on save and continue. After you have selected save and continue, you are going to give it a few seconds to load up, as it is going to provide us with a template that we'll be able to edit. And you can see the template right here, review your job post template. So for example, if you would like to change the field that you're looking, instead of video editor, you could tap on the pencil right there. If you would like to change your business name, you could do that, and the location, you can also do that. And you can also add your company description by tapping on the add right there. And you can see the job details. So this is the amount that you're willing to pay. So to edit this, all you'll have to do right here, you could tap on the pencil icon right there. And after you have tapped on that, you can see what is the pay for this job. And you can see the competitive pay increases, the chances you'll receive 2 times more application. And you can see the average pay based on the job title. And you can see competitive pay right here. So you can scroll down and you can select average pay if you want, or you could add another account, add another amount better yet. Then you'll scroll down and add the amount that you would like or willing to pay. So I'll select average pay. After you have done that, you're going to tap on done. Then from here you can scroll down, and if you would like to edit the schedule, you can. And also you'll see the benefits section right here. If you would like to edit the benefits section, as you can see, we added a list of benefits commonly used across similar video editors job. And if you'd like to edit it, you can simply tap on edit. Then you can untick these. So I'll untick these. I'm not offering 401k. So I can untick all of these right here. After you have unticked or you have selected the options that you will offer your employee, you can simply tap on done in the bottom right hand corner. So I'll tap on done right here. After you have tapped on done, you are going to scroll down and you can see supplementary pay. You'll simply tap on edit. And after you have done that, you can select which one of these you'll offer or which one you're not offering. So then you'll tap on done. And after you have done that, you're going to scroll down again and you can select the job settings. As you see, you can edit that if you want. You can scroll down and you can see how it looks. And to see a preview, you could simply tap on show preview. And you can see how it looks right here. Looks good. And if it is to your liking, you will simply tap on close preview. Then after you have done that, you're going to tap on confirm. Once you have selected confirm, you will see right here, Final Cut Pro, find the best candidates by telling us which qualifications are a must-have. So if you would like the person that you're hiring to have certain qualifications, you can select any one of these. So for example, let's say I want my video editor to be certain or have the skill to use Final Cut Pro. I could tap on must-have. Video editing skill is a must-have, and also post-production is a must-have, and photo editing and also photo manipulation. Then after you have selected those, if you would like to add other criterias, you could add them right there. Then you'll tap on save and continue.